Imagine opening a map of the world and realizing that hidden within every border, mountain range, and island lies a completely different way of speaking. Over 7,000 languages exist today, yet only a handful dominate our global conversations. Why? The story begins thousands of years ago when small groups of humans migrated across continents. As communities spread and became isolated by oceans, forests, or deserts, their languages slowly drifted apart. Over centuries, these changes grew so vast that one tongue became many. Geography played a powerful role. Islands and mountains created barriers, encouraging diversity. But language is more than just sound, it is identity. Communities nurtured their own words, accents, and stories as a marker of who they were. A language became a flag of belonging, just as important as clothing, music, or tradition. When cultures met, languages collided. Some borrowed words, others blended into entirely new forms. Colonialism and trade pushed a few languages, like English, Spanish, and Mandarin, into global dominance. Yet in the shadows, smaller tongues survived, quietly carrying centuries of wisdom about nature, history, and life. Today, while thousands of languages still exist, many are endangered. Scholars warn that nearly half may disappear within this century, taking with them unique knowledge that cannot be replaced. Every time a language falls silent, we lose a library of human experience. So why do so many languages exist? Because humanity itself is diverse, shaped by migration, geography, culture, and identity. Each language is a living memory of how people adapted and thrived. And while the world grows more connected every day, protecting this mosaic of voices ensures that our global story remains rich, colorful, and complete.